Okay, students, can we start? Okay, okay. Okay. Let us start the second session. Uh, okay, second session also. Let us start with doing one advanced exercise with this line. So I am asking you to do few more exercises with line because line is a very preliminary shape that most of the time you'll have to deal on with. Okay. So let us assume that this is our coordinate system. This is y, this is my x, and this is 0, 0. So what I want to do is, let us take another here up to here, and from here to here, 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 here to here. Okay. This much is, suppose 200. From here up to here, this much is 110. This line, okay, this line is 58 millimeter, and then it has an angle of, this angle of 60 degree. Okay, from here up to here, this is 100, this is 60, suppose this is 85. Okay, then this much is 78, and this way this is 47. So can we draw this figure? Can we draw this figure? Okay, you can take a screenshot of this thing if you want. Okay, let me post a screenshot of this thing in the WhatsApp group. So we have a WhatsApp group, right? Yeah. So there. So that later on also you can practice this. Okay. Sometimes if not now. So again, going back to the drawing board. So remember, this time I am specifying that I have my origin 0, 0, and then this starts from the origin. Okay, and this is how much? 110 millimeter. So for that, I need to start with the line. For line, I need what command? L. Is it? Type enter. So specify start point. Where is my start point?
Zero, zero.
0
Zero
0.
zero.
So here, click here and then write 0 comma 0. Can you see it on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Then enter. Okay. And then how far I should go along this line? How far?
10 mm.
110 mm. Is it? So for that, my next
Yes, yes.
point, for next point, you can write at rate 110. What should be my angle? Less than 0. Because this angle is 0 degree, right? This is 90 degree. This is 180 degree. And this is 270 degree. So if I am going along this line, that means I am following 0 degree. Okay, this is the convention. Less than 0 means 0 degree. How much I should go? 110 millimeter. This one, please pay attention. Can you see this? Everyone, at rate 110 less than 0.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you write as at rate 110 less than 0. That means I am following this line 110 millimeter. Then enter. Where is my line? For that, zoom, extend. Wait. Line. My start point is 0, 0. Then at rate 110 less than 0. Okay, you see? Now, this is my 0, 0 and this is my 110 mm. Here, from here up to here. Okay? Then, starting to draw this line. This is, how much is the length?
8 mm.
58 mm. So my starting point is how much? 0 and 110, right? This is my starting point. Is it? So I say line. It says specify start point. This point is how much? 0, comma 110. And then at rate 58 less than 60. 0, 110. Just a moment. Or you can specify it like this way. Line. So if you go near to the line, can you see a yellow square? Is it?
Sir.
Yeah, this is known as the snap point. So for engineering drawings, we can specify that point or we can select our snap on. So if you keep your snap on, it will automatically go and pick that last point. If you do not keep it on, it cannot select. So how can you keep it on or off? By simply pressing F3 or sometimes function F3. So if I press F3, if I switch it off, I cannot pick that point, exact point. You can try. But if I press F3 or a function F3, I can select that point. Is it? Yeah, you see, I can pick up this point. So from there, what is my next point? At rate 58 less than 60 degree. Is it? This line. So in order to pick up this point,
Yes, sir.
I am keeping my snap on, SNAP, snap on, by pressing F3. Yeah. Okay. So after this, where should I go? From here up to here, 85. Or how much is my this distance? 47. Oh, sorry. This may not be like this. So from here up to here, this should be 85. 85. So how will I know how much is 85? So I can say line this, we can say at rate 85 less than equal to 0. Oh, sorry, less than equal to at rate 85 less than equal to 90. Ah, and then if I press F8, so up to here, this is 85. I say line from here hmm. So now this distance is from here up to here, it is 85. How did I draw 85? Because I know that from this point it should be 85, right? So I am drawing a line from here which should be of 85 millimeter length, and this angle is 90 degree. And then after that, with my snap on, I am going in X direction. Okay, and then from this point, with my snap on, I am going up to that line. You see, perpendicular. I am going up to the perpendicular point, and then I erase these things. So up till now, this figure is from here to here to here. From here up to here, this is 78 millimeter. Is it? This is 78 millimeter. Oh, brother. Oh, okay, so from here up to here, this is 78. So that means I want to draw a line with my snap on, and I pick up the end point, and then what should I write there? At rate 78 less than equal to, now my angle should be how much? See, I'm going from here.
90 degree.
No. 90 degrees like this. I am from this point. I am going towards my left. Okay, so if I have to go to my left,
180.
yes, very good, 180 degree. So from here, I am going towards my left. How much? 78 millimeter. So 78 at rate 78 less than 180. Yeah, is it? This one. Can you see it on the screen? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Uh, then again coming 47 millimeter in negative y direction. So negative y means 270 degree. Is it? From this point, I am going
So,
in this direction. So this direction is 270 degree. How much I am going? 47 millimeter. So it would be at rate 47 less than, what is the angle? Hey,
70.
70.
270. Okay, so if I type this thing from this point, I can go to this point. From here to here. Let us see. First, I draw line command and then pick up the endpoint. You see endpoint coming on the screen. Click and then I go to the command line here. Specify next point. So there I write at rate. Here I write at rate 47 less than 270. Ah, am I getting the shape? So I have this shape now. Now I must go in this direction. I must go in this direction. So I don't know how much I have to go. I have to go up to this line. Okay, so this may not be correct. 200 may not be correct. Don't go with this. I don't know. I am at here and I know that this much is 110. So I have to go from here up to here. So for that, I draw a line from my origin 0 0 in y direction, and then I draw a line from this point which is perpendicular to this line. Can you see the word perpendicular on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So when I get perpendicular, I click there and enter. I erase this line. So how much is the exact distance? This much should be 61 millimeter. 61 millimeter. And then I close this line from here up to end point of this. And then I want to zoom it, zoom E for extent. I see the whole drawing. And then one more time, this is the figure. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, okay.
Hmm. So I hope you have to practice some of these figures like this only with the line command. So just we are concentrating on the line command for today and maybe for tomorrow. But the same thing can be drawn with other shorter commands. We will get to know them later. Okay, first learn the line command. So how you, the only thing that you need to know in this thing is that at rate, so the only thing is that at rate x less than y y. This is the general formula. Okay, this is the general formula for a line command. So this formula is saying for this software, maybe BlitzCAD and AutoCAD, whatever software. So if you use the line command, that command line to draw things, you need not have to worry about the buttons there. So for example, if I want to draw a line like this, starting from 0, 0, which is 278 point, suppose 8 millimeter long, and then at an angle of this angle of suppose 49 degree. So I have to write line, enter, then specify first point. So specify first point. My first point will be 0, 0, okay, in the command line. Then I will write at rate second point 278.8 less than how much? What is the angle? 49. So this I will get a line from this 0, 0 point up to here. Okay, this one. So this thing you remember, this one, this formula. Okay, at rate, this is the length of the line, and this is the angle that you want to draw, and then the angle starts from 0, 90, 180, 270. That means the angle starts in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, like this. So you can draw now any line in any angle. Is it? Hey.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is all about line. So there is another word called infinite line, or the concept of infinite line is once you click here, uh, you just have to specify the position or in x and y direction. Okay, so if I want to put an infinite line in x direction, just I click like this, and y direction like this. So what is actually the use of an infinite line? Normally these lines are used as your guiding lines. Okay, these are used as the guiding lines in a drawing. So if you want that some object you have drawn here, I should put the base perpendicular to this line, so I can move it, or I can put these objects along this line so that I have a reference line. Any other object, suppose I want to draw a circle, okay, and I want to put the center of the circle along this line. I move it, keep the center and perpendicular. So these lines act as the guiding line, okay. It may be in this direction, it may be in this direction, or it may be in any direction that you want to use. Okay, so what is the difference between then array, rich line? Anyway, we'll see this. What is the difference between array and an infinite line? So the ray will be an infinite line starting from a particular point. So okay, this is my starting point of a ray, and then I want to go in infinite direction in x or this direction. Okay, so this is my ray, this one, and then I have a starting point, this one. But in case of an infinite line, I don't have a starting and ending point. I am somewhere in between the line. Okay, then what else? We have a polyline, polygon, rectangle. I don't want to really focus on these things right now. Maybe there is time for us to look into these things tomorrow. But for today, I want to give you one more exercise with the line command. Okay, so please try to do this exercise back at home. Okay. Let us use this. Okay, this is our 0 0 point. This is our y. This is our x. I want you to draw a figure. Okay, and so this is the figure. From here up to here, this is 80. Then up to here, this is 33. Then the length is from here up to here, it is suppose 45, and then this angle is 42 degree. Okay, again from here up to here, it is 39. From here to here, this is 57. From here up to here, this is 40. Then this drop, is 29. This much is 18. This much is 12. This much is 15. Okay, then I will only specify this angle. This angle is 62 degree. Then you need to find out how much is the length from point A to point B. Okay, how much is the length? Okay, I will share this thing. And then I need the answer only. Let me go to the chat, WhatsApp group. My question is, what is the length of AB? From here up to here. Okay, so can you try that?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I give you another 10 minutes to finish the exercise. If you can do it now, very good. I will also try here. Then together with you, let us see if we can arrive at the same answer or not. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you, that this there is
Sir,
yeah.
I will do with AutoCAD, sir. Your software is not supporting in my window.
Okay, you can do it in AutoCAD. It doesn't matter.
Sir,
Yeah.
problem. Actually, I do not purchase a new laptop. I have a Windows 7. So your draft sign software is not supporting here.
Okay, okay. So in that case, yeah, probably you
It's
have to
been
shift.
5 days. I am trying to.
Maybe yeah, because of that. Yeah, maybe because of that.
Sir,
Windows 7.
is the, okay,
Uh,
sir.
so if you have an AutoCAD already, probably you can try it in AutoCAD. But again, the license issue is there,
Okay,
so
sir.
I cannot recommend you to use something which is not licensed. I'm using this one because this you can use as a freeware, okay, for 1 month.
Oh, sir, your software do not support in Windows 7, sir.
Uh, Probably not, because this is a new software. So nowadays, no more Windows 7 is there. So even Windows 7 is outdated now. So they're not
Yes, sir.
no not producing Windows 7. So I
Yes,
think
sir.
this
So
is not
till I
available.
purchase new laptops, I have to use this one, sir.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. And they had an earlier version in Linux, but nowadays this is not there. I just checked. So this is only available for Windows and Apple Mac computers. So for the
Okay, sir.
timing, you can use whatever software you have. I think the command will be more like the same commands. In AutoCAD also, you will have the same commands up till now, whatever I have been teaching. Okay. So yes, let us try this thing. Okay, another command. What I wanted to show you on the screen. Can you see my cursor? This square box that I am moving. You can make it smaller or bigger by typing OP. OP means option. OP. OP. Okay. Type OP command. Options. And when you type options, you get a window like this. Then drafting option.